You may have noticed your Roborock Dyad vacuum cleaner suddenly has problems like a broken hose, and you are not sure what you should do to fix it. We've got you covered. See how we've helped customers with their problems. We received a Roborock Dyad vacuum cleaner that was damaged and was unable to be used for cleaning. Afterwards, when we received the vacuum cleaner, we started diagnosing it right away. Here is what we found. When we tried to run the vacuum cleaner, it wouldn't turn on at all. And OMG, look at this hose. It's broken. So there is no wonder the vacuum cleaner isn't working. Then, we diagnosed the root cause was a broken hose, and we suggested hose replacement. Next, we asked the customer to approve the recommendations, and then the repair process was started as soon as it was approved by the customer. Now, look at this. The vacuum cleaner looks like new again and can work at maximum efficiency. Once the vacuum cleaner had been returned to the customer, they were satisfied. Need help with your robot vacuum? Let us be your solution.